Top 5 foods highest in potassium. Bananas are well known for their high potassium content. They can be eaten on their own, added to smoothies, or used in baking. Amount: 1 medium banana, 118 grams, potassium, 422 milligrams. Sweet potatoes are rich in potassium. They can be baked, boiled, or made into fries. Amount: 1 medium, 146 grams, baked potassium, 438 milligrams. Avocados are high in potassium and healthy fats. They can be used in salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. Amount: 1 cup, 150 grams, sliced potassium, 727 milligrams. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable high in potassium. It can be eaten raw in salads or cooked in various dishes. Amount: 1 cup, 180 grams, cooked potassium, 839 milligrams. White beans are legumes that provide a significant amount of potassium. They can be used in soups, stews, and salads. Amount: 1 cup, 179 grams, cooked potassium, 829 milligrams.